Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan and today I'm going to review for you guys Sugarbox. Now Sugarbox is a subscription box in India which provides fashion, beauty, lifestyle and food products. That's so many things in one. So I have their anniversary edition which contains their most voted and most loved products. So let's see what we get in the anniversary edition of Sugarbox. The very first product is a clutch which can also be used as a sling bag. This clutch bag also comes with a string so that you can use it as a sling bag. The next product is a grey colored hoodie which says cute but psycho. I was actually quite happy to receive a hoodie in a subscription box. The next product is the oatmeal and lavender declogging face scrub. It is free from parabens, sulfates and all kinds of harmful chemicals. I really like this scrub because these kind of scrubs are very mild and gentle on the skin and they're really good for dry skin people like me. The next product is the Mermaid color changing watch. This watch came in a beautiful cute box. I was actually about to go and purchase a white watch but I got it from the Sugarbox, and what's better than receiving the thing that you wanted. And the best thing about this watch is that it changes color in the sunlight. It turns purple, so that's so exciting. Next we have fingerless for gloves. I really like these gloves. The color is so beautiful. They have fur on it. Also, they're very different looking from the gloves that we get in the market. Next, we have pink colored earmuffs. So these earmuffs are so soft and it's so fun to wear them. Although they are meant for winters and winters are almost gone now. But if you're traveling, then these gloves and these earmuffs would be your best friend. We also get a very cute Hershey's mini chocolate. And lastly, we have tassel earrings. I received the beautiful gold and blue colored tassel earrings. So for the anniversary edition, you receive products worth 5,000 rupees and you pay 1,899 rupees for this box. That means you're clearly saving approximately 3,000 rupees. Also, if you subscribe for the longer period subscriptions, you will have to pay a lot less for monthly subscription boxes. Each Sugarbox is designed in such a way that you receive products worth more than what you pay for. If I have to choose my favorite products from the Sugarbox anniversary edition, they would definitely be the hoodie as well as the watch. I absolutely loved these two products in the Sugarbox. Overall, I really liked the Sugarbox. It contained so many products from different genres and it was not just restricted to that one beauty category. So it was something very different for me and I really liked it. And I feel that it is a perfect gifting option to yourself or to your loved ones because you get a box of happiness every single month and you really don't know what you're receiving. So it's a little surprise for you. I would really recommend it to everyone out there. You can purchase this box from their website sugarbox.in. I would be putting a link in the description box down below so that you can easily find this box on their website. By the way, if you like the scarf that I'm wearing right now, you can actually purchase it from my website ramshasultank.com. I would be putting all the links in the description box down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.